gigi itimo mondo wa preserve culture. Ndio. Ber mane ma ji yudo e preserving the culture of our people.
Preserving culture obiro in many ways. Wacha culture en kaka ng'ato dak ngima mare. Odo matin kende. For example, Jalun culture mar naming a child. It's a culture, isn't it? So, kwa Jalugi nyiso kaka nemo eche preserve. Moro Jaluo who believe in hard work. Yomadongo means to go work hard to believe. Mano culture maro. Jaluo believe in culture identity. Anur karachon, anur alego, anur sen, anur kaskul kabon, anja kadim. Mano Jaluo for you. Majalu katiteri kure, mano very important. So important, ina no kato Obama kadu be president America to kwacha tena Jaluo. Wacha ni anja lego kogelo. Paul Ba the list Paul Ba karachuonyo kokogweno. O David Wasakiri ja game clan game. We go to be like that. Chitechalam kata Professor Odhiambo Kanandi. Bekini yude Odhiambo Kanandi would alego more. So what preserve culture? So when you see what we are, what preserve in terms of Gombaka, what preserve in some Mandeko, Chini we preserve electronically. So that Muruma Biro after me and you growing. When you say preservation kapokati Gombaka uno chibugana. Kini kana ndikubugina mokwongo 2020 na ido wazemba ngi mwuona. Iwinja. Mama ko give video. Sani nyocha kapenjo ngi mosa no wuyo koda. A third of them are gone. So knowledge no lal. Nebe no ka capture. Nama nyiswa koronge. Iwinja. Mani yego?
Yeah.
Robe sani gimati mo sani ko kwanyal capture. The next YH will have nothing to learn from. So again, it's asked to make sure no capture again my bed when you saw next generation.
Yeah.
So the look continue. Mandakataki the Bible, Moses, the clans, the numbers, you Jews, get them keep their culture, their way of life.
Come on.